Hey, what's up, awesome creators? Are you pouring your heart and soul into content that just disappears into the void, feeling like you're shouting into the internet abyss? Well, buckle up because today, we're not just brainstorming, we're hacking virality. I'm about to show you how I can be your secret weapon to uncover scorching hot content ideas that your audience will devour. Get ready to explode your views, skyrocket your engagement, and finally go viral.
Forget hours of tedious research and endless scrolling. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact AI tools I use to discover killer content ideas in any niche. We're talking about untapped trends, viral angles you haven't even considered, and data-backed insights that practically guarantee engagement. Sound good? Then let's do this fast. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about creating content that gets seen, shared, and loved, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the exciting world of AI-powered content ideation. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking for that next big hit or just starting out and struggling to find your footing, the tools I'm about to show you will revolutionize the way you come up with content ideas.
We'll be covering everything from identifying trending topics to finding unique angles that will make your content stand out from the crowd. So, stick around, and let's unlock the viral potential in your niche. AI Tool 1. Google Trends Exploratory Tool plus AI Integration. Alright, let's kick things off with a powerful combo. First up, we're going to tap into the real-time pulse of what people are searching for using Google Trends. Now, most people just look at the top searches, but we're going to go deeper. Let's say our niche is beginner gardening. We'll type that in and explore related queries, looking for breakout trends and rising interest. See how indoor herb gardens is spiking? That's a hot topic. Now, here's where the AI magic comes in. We'll take these insights and head over. I'm going to paste in, generate 10 viral YouTube video ideas for beginner gardeners focusing on the rising trend of indoor herb gardens. Include catchy titles and potential video formats. Watch this, show at generating ideas. Boom, look at these 5 easiest herbs to grow indoors for beginners, from seed to salad. Your first indoor herb garden guide. Common mistakes beginner herb gardeners make and how to avoid them. These are targeted, timely, and have viral potential. Here's a pro trick most beginners miss. Filter Google Trends by specific regions. If you know a large part of your audience is in a certain country, tailoring your content to their local trends can give you a massive advantage. Highlight the region filter in Google Trends. AI Tool 2. Dedicated Content Idea AI Tool. Next up, we are leveling up with dedicated AI content idea generators. These tools are specifically trained to understand content, trends, and audience engagement. Let's head over to AI. Here, you can often specify your niche, target platform, and even the type of content you're looking for. I'll input beginner gardening YouTube videos and ask it to generate 20 viral topic ideas with a focus on quick wins and easy projects. Click generate and bam! Look at the variety, the one tool every beginner gardener needs. Grow your first vegetable in a pot this weekend. Stop killing your seedlings. The ultimate beginner guide. These tools often provide more refined and targeted suggestions. Now, don't just blindly accept every suggestion. Look for ideas that genuinely excite you and that you can add your unique expertise to. If an idea is too broad, like how to grow vegetables, use the AI to refine it. Generate specific and unique video ideas within how to grow vegetables for complete beginners with small spaces. Hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, give that like button a good tap. It helps more creators like you discover these powerful tools. AI Tool 3. Social Listening AI Tool plus Content Idea Generation. Alright, we've looked at search trends and dedicated idea generators. Now, let's tap into the raw voice of your audience with social listening. Tools like Social Listening Tool Name, Show Interface, or demonstrate manual hashtag analysis on a platform like Twitter allow you to see what people are actually talking about in your niche. What questions are they asking? What problems are they facing? Let's say we search for hashtag beginner gardening on platform and find a lot of questions about pests. We can then take those specific questions and ask our AI, generate 15 YouTube video ideas for beginner gardeners specifically addressing common pest problems in organic gardens. Focus on practical DIY solutions. This approach ensures your content is directly relevant and solves your audience's pain points, which is a recipe for virality. Here's a smart move. Look at the comments section of popular videos in your niche. What questions are being asked that the video didn't fully answer? Feed those questions into your AI as prompts for new video ideas. Highlight a relevant comment section on screen. What's the biggest challenge you're currently facing with content creation? Let me know in the comments below. I read them all. AI tool for AI for analyzing viral content. Okay, we've generated tons of fresh ideas, but let's also learn from what's already working. There are AI tools that can help you analyze why certain content goes viral. Let's take this wildly popular video on easy houseplants show a thumbnail or short clip. We can use AI tool name or describe manual analysis with a general AI to break down its success factors. I'll prompt, analyze this YouTube video, paste link, describe video elements, and identify the key reasons for its high engagement and virality. What are the common themes, formats, and emotional hooks? The AI can often tell you things like, the video uses a lot of visuals, it focuses on quick wins for beginners, or the title is highly searchable and addresses a specific need. Use these insights to inform your own content creation. Remember, don't just copy what's working. Use the AI's analysis to understand the underlying principles of virality and then adapt those principles to your own unique content and style. If a viral video used a lot of storytelling, think about how you can incorporate storytelling into your beginner gardening tip. AI Tool 5. AI for generating engaging titles and thumbnails. Now that we have a solid list of content ideas, let's supercharge their clickability with AI-powered title and thumbnail generation. Or using a general AI with specific prompting can help you craft irresistible titles that grab attention and compelling thumbnail concepts that make people want to click. Let's take the idea 5 easiest herbs to grow indoors. I'll prompt, generate 10 catchy YouTube video titles for a video about the 5 easiest herbs to grow indoors for beginners, focusing on keywords and emotional appeal. Look at these options. Kill-proof herb. 5 you can't mess up indoors. Secret to a thriving indoor garden even if you're a total beginner. Instant kitchen flavor. Top 5 easiest indoor herbs. Much better than just easy indoor herbs, right? You can do the same for thumbnail ideas. Describe your video concept to the AI and ask for visually appealing thumbnail suggestions. Here's a little secret. Use numbers and power words in your titles. Words like secret, ultimate, easy, and numbers tend to perform really well. Highlight examples of power words and numbers in the generated titles. AI Tool 6. Combining multiple AI tools for a content plan. Alright, we've explored several amazing AI tools. Now, let's see how we can bring it all together to create a content plan. Take all the promising ideas you've generated and organize them. I like to use a simple spreadsheet. You can even use AI to help you create a basic content calendar. Just prompt something like, based on these 10 video ideas, list your ideas. Create a 4-week YouTube content calendar, suggesting publishing days and potential related videos. This helps you stay organized and consistent, which is crucial for growth. Okay, you've got the AI power in your hand, but here's a bonus tip that can make this process even faster. Many AI writing tools have built-in templates for brainstorming and content ideation. Instead of starting with a blank prompt every time, explore their template libraries. You might find pre-built workflows specifically for YouTube video ideas, blog post topics, or social media content. This can save you valuable time and spark even more creative ideas. Look for templates within the AI tools we've discussed today. Show a quick screen recording showcasing a template library within one of the AI tools. Alright, let's do a lightning fast recap. We've seen how to use the power of AI, from tapping into Google Trends to dedicated idea generators, social listening, analyzing viral hits, and even crafting click-worthy titles and thumbnails. Remember, the key is to experiment with these tools, combine their strengths, and always add your own unique creativity and expertise. AI as your co-pilot, not the sole creator. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful. Seriously, hit like, it fuels the channel. Let me know your biggest content creation struggle in the comments below. Okay, creators, now it's your turn to go out there and use these incredible AI tools to find your next viral content idea. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment below telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing content like this. Click that bell icon so you never miss an upload. You might also want to check out this video right here. Point to on-screen suggestion. It's all about briefly explain the topic and relevance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating, keep innovating, and let's go viral.